Okay, wait. Oh, wait, there's a car behind us. Oh. So this week, no, it's gonna get hyped up. Whoa. Right, this week on Star's Royalty Vlogs, if you can't see already, behind me here, we have a sick as Mustang. It is owned by none other than
Joey.
This is Joey. Do you want to tell us a bit about your car, bro?
I had about 18 months, put a lot of time and money into it. Obviously got the flares from America, 3-piece forged wheels. Not a lot of engine work done, but it's looking pretty wicked.
So this is going to be our feature. You guys got to be excited about this. Hanif right now is talking with the owners of the shop. It's a brand new workshop opened over Christmas period. What do you think, Hanif?
Nice car.
Hey, I'm fucking no work on anything. Hear that, guys? I'll put a link right there. You guys set them up on Facebook, guys.
Website, Instagram.
Instagram too.
Also, he's worked on my car before. Came better than I put in the shop, so I definitely recommend it. 100%.
He should be a salesman. Wait, here's our salesman.
Thank you.
Right, let's get back to it.
Yeah, it looks good there.
Like that.
Deactivating the wipers. Rain sensor.
That's on the vlog. Oh, we got another banner right here. Oh,
Yeah.
Phil. Is this yours? Yes, mine. That poke. Holy shit. They probably can. There, guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to record interior of you driving.
Yep.
And we'll get the audio for the exhaust as well while I'm in the car recording you drive.
Okay.
Sweet. You hear that, guys? You know what we're going to do? We're going to do it. You're about to jump onto this now, so hold your horses. See what I did there? Yo!
Oh, can I jump in? Yes.
This is off the vlog. Oh God. We've just finished getting interior shot. Now we're about to head into somewhere where Hanif knows. Where is it? Where are we going? Where are we going?
In the middle of Perth.
Middle of Perth. That's where we're going.
We've got plenty of time for rollers then.
Yeah.
Rollers. We've just pulled into Wilson's next to Tiger Lil's here.
Tiger Lily.
Jump in. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, there's a car behind us. Oh, shit.
Fucking hell. That's the second time I fell off the fucking car.
Shit. Alright.
That's the second time in a week.
Boys. Can't reach. Oh, get in the block. Oh, look at that. Mustang problems, bro. Oh, he's sitting in the box, no wonder. Oh, lazy. Lazy as shit. Look at that. How many floors is this parking?
So I think we're finishing up, grabbing a few last rollers, then I think we're out of here. This is how you film cars, guys, behind the scenes. Filming Cars 101.
Your Instagram?
@flared_50. Stay loyal.